Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming requirements. Dolphin updated, GPU drivers current, and ROMs legally owned. Once done, open Dolphin and go to Options Configuration to set paths. This directs Dolphin to saves, ISO, and controller profiles. Make sure to back up Dolphin. Ini and the user folder now so you can revert changes. Then set the GameCube and Wii ISO directories. These first steps create a stable base. Without correct paths, later settings won't apply correctly. Next, you configure the core experience. Pick a graphics backend, Vulkan for modern AMD/NVIDIA, OpenGL for compatibility, and set internal resolution and aspect ratio. Then enable dual core for performance, but toggle it off if you see instability. Audio DSP LLE gives accuracy at cost of CPU. After that, open controllers and map your gamepad or Wiimote. Test input with a quick launch of a game. If stuttering occurs, adjust frame limiter and V-Sync. These mid-steps balance speed, visuals, and input fidelity. Finish by applying per-game tweaks. Right-click an ISO, choose Properties, and set overrides for DSP, EFB copies, or aspect ratio for that game. This avoids global conflict. Once done, enable or import patches and AR codes only if necessary. They can fix widescreen or audio issues. If Dolphin crashes or behaves oddly, restore your backup, then change one setting and retest. That method isolates the culprit quickly. If problems persist, switch backend and test again to rule out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.